If applications are not working with cellular data in your iPhone, even though there is data left, then let us see how to fix the issue. Now the first thing that you do is you simply restart your iPhone. Sometimes restarting the iPhone fixes many of the minor issue. The other thing is remove the SIM card from the tray, reinsert the SIM card and check if cellular data works or not. The next thing is you have to go to settings here, go to this option general, go to transfer or reset iPhone, go to reset, select reset network settings. You have to enter the passcode of your iPhone and then reset the network settings. The other thing that you can do is you have to go to settings here, go to general, go to this option VPN and device management. Now if you see any VPN which is activated, disconnect the VPN and check if cellular data works or not. Also, if you have installed any VPN application like this one, Super VPN, and if it is connected, then disconnect the VPN to check if cellular data works or not. Also, you have to go to settings, go to cellular. When you scroll down, you will see some of the applications that can use cellular data. Go to show all and make sure that the applications that you want to run with cellular data is enabled like this one. So hopefully this will fix the issue. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and comment on the video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.